It's Jason Yarusi coming to you again from WA Building Movers. Want to talk again today about raising your house. How high do you have to raise your house? Well, ultimately it's going to come down to a lot of different requirements, including the FEMA requirements, what the base flood elevation is, and then also the state and town requirements. So ultimately your house may only have to be raised 2 feet by FEMA guidelines. However, your state and your town or your city may have implemented additional rules because they feel that they would like some barrier above that. So the base flood elevation may be at a certain height, and FEMA may insist that you raise the house 2 feet. However, the town and state may have added an additional 3 feet within that process, and so you ultimately will need to raise 5 feet to be able to meet both of the requirements between FEMA, your town, your state. Now, the thing that works in your favor is that if you go to a 3 feet higher than the FEMA guidelines, that's going to be the max insurance discount that you will also get. So there's lots of things that can fall in place, but again, you need to check beyond just FEMA, but also now, got my bulldog coming in, make sure I'm doing the right thing, but also past FEMA, is there other guidelines that are coming down from my state and my town. Now that's going to be a pretty simple call. Call down to the township, talk to the flood mitigator, the flood risk specialist in the town. If there's not, there's going to be one for the county. If not, there's going to be one for the state. Also, you want to talk to your state regulators. Just make sure you know exactly what you're going to do, just so you don't go forward, do this work, and find out you're not actually meeting the code. However, you should be stopped by the town if you're submitting permits, submitting all your applications, because they're going to ultimately know what the requirements are for their town specifically. Okay, Jason from WA Building Movers. Again, go to YouTube, WA Building Movers. Also, you can find us on our website, wabuildingmovers.com. Have a ton of videos there, a ton of information for you to learn about yourself, your house raise, what it takes to actually have this work done, some reasons why you want to do it. All right.